you're ready.
Hi, my name is Bob Wyckoff. I am owner and operator of Wyckoff Well Drilling. We have many calls on the quality of the water itself, as far as coloration to the water, or maybe a smell to the water. And sometimes that might go hand in hand with a pressure loss problem. A lot of times if you're losing pressure back down a well, the water will run back inside the well and agitate the water, and then the pump will pick it up, sort of like walking across the beach and disturbing the water that way. The same thing happens inside of a well, and when that happens, you will get that into the house.